Father's Day. Welcome to Oasis. If you're here for the first time, please follow the blue card found in the welcome packet. Get ready for an awesome worship experience as Pastor Al begins his new sermon series with The Power of a Praying Mother. And now, here are a few ways for you to dive in at Oasis.
Attention all high school and middle school students. You're invited to attend the Youth Ministry Year-End Party on Friday, May 29th from 7 to 10 p.m. Also available that night will be a calendar highlighting all the events throughout the summer. So come out and join us and have a great time.
Attention all community callers. We're going to be going out into the community Saturday, May 16th to invite folks to Oasis and to share the good news of Jesus Christ. We're going to be meeting here at the church at 10 a.m. Please sign the tear-off sheet to let us know you're interested.
Do you like to serve God? Do you like to use your hands? Do you have a cleaning spirit? If you answered yes to any of these questions, please come to an informational meeting next Sunday after third service to learn more about the Church Beautification Ministry.
Hey parents, if you have any students that are graduating from middle school, high school, or college, please let Pastor Edward know so that you can reserve your spot for the graduation dinner on June 13th from 6 to 8 p.m. The cost is $10 per person and the graduate will be free.
If you're a recent guest here at Oasis, you are invited to our after party on Sunday, May 31st, either after the second or the third service. Come on out for some refreshments and to get to know the pastors a little better. Also, one guest at each party will win a gift card to Olive Garden.
Thanks for joining us here at Oasis. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to stop by our Welcome Center and pick up your free gift. And that's how you dive in.